Welcome to this video, where we'll compare online and offline uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, systems. We'll find out which battery lasts longer and help you choose the right backup power for your home or business. Raw utility power is rarely clean. A power outage lasting just a few milliseconds can reboot your router or crash your PC. You also face hidden threats like voltage sags, power spikes, and electrical noise. An uninterruptible power supply is your electronic shield. It provides emergency battery backup when the wall power fails. It also conditions the incoming electricity to protect sensitive devices from damage. Layer 1 is the offline UPS, also known as a standby UPS. Your computer connects directly to the wall power. The battery waits in the background, and an internal switch flips to battery power when the wall power fails. Because an offline UPS waits for the power to fail, it takes 2 to 10 milliseconds to switch to the battery. This tiny delay is called a transfer time. For sensitive servers, a 10 millisecond delay can cause a total system crash. Layer 2 is the line interactive UPS, which adds automatic voltage regulation, or AVR. If the wall voltage drops slightly, the AVR fixes it without using the battery. This reduces the blackout transfer time to just 2 to 4 milliseconds. Layer 3 is the online UPS, also known as double conversion. This is the highest grade of protection. It converts raw AC power to DC and then rebuilds it into perfect AC power. Your equipment never touches the raw wall power. Because your equipment is always running off the inverter in an online UPS, the transfer time is exactly 0 milliseconds. This means no flicker, no reboots, and perfect power conditioning. Online UPS systems cost more, but which technology preserves the health of the internal battery the longest? Let's look at the chemistry and the daily workload. Offline units must switch to battery power for every minor voltage dip, constantly draining the battery. Online and line interactive units handle dirty power without touching the battery. Therefore, an online UPS has a lower total cost of ownership because the batteries last much longer. The double conversion process of an online UPS works hard 24/7, generating heat and using more electricity. An offline UPS is very cheap to run because it just waits on standby. This is the trade-off between battery life and your electricity bill. If you are protecting a basic home PC, choose an offline UPS. If your local grid is unstable and you want to protect a gaming PC or small office setup, buy a line interactive UPS. If you manage a data center, hospital equipment, or critical business servers, you must buy an online UPS. When uptime is business survival, you need zero transfer time and perfect voltage regulation. Here is the ultimate UPS cheat sheet. Offline is low cost and good for home. Line interactive is medium cost and good for small business. Online is high cost, has the best battery life, and is good for servers. You now know how to protect your electronics like an engineer. To size your UPS correctly, add up the watts of your devices and multiply by 1.2 to leave room for growth.